So, hello, beautiful people. Welcome to another round, second this stream. I'm building an application today, trying to be a better programmer, and I do it in rounds, right? 5 minutes typing, 30 minutes building application. So let's just get into it. Okay. Seven. Okay. 740. And I can squeeze in another one. Oh, come on. Too many mistakes. 3, that's nice. 342. Oh, this concludes our typing session. And we proceed to the thing which we were doing, which I forgot what it was. Well, this one is done. And now I wanted this, yeah, fuck. Like so, yes. And he'll say connect, or I can kill my locally run. Yeah, connect PSQL to the Docker. Instance. Maybe it's like that. So this is done. This is what I want to do. And so I will inspect all my processes. Oh, come on. And somewhere in here will be the Postgres server. Here it is. So if I kill Chad, will I still get the PSQL console? What is the question? Yes. Error access denied. Okay, cool. So I will run it. As administrator. Yes. Here we go. Now, post. Here we go. This. Okay. Bye. And here we have Postgres 2. Okay, so which one did I just execute it? I don't know. Oh, this one I also did not use. This one I want to uninstall, I think. Select and remove programs. DW. No, it has 30. It has 36 keys. You can do. Here are some. This page is incomplete, but there are pictures and the links to the manufacturer. It has some shortcomings, I have to say. Was it hard to learn? No, I wouldn't say. But this is not my first split keyboard. And going to the split keyboard the first time, I suffered very much for a few months. But now I'm thinking just I don't want unsplitted keyboard. It's just bullcrap. I'm not doing it anymore. Yeah, I like it very much, and I think I will use split keyboards till I die, most likely. Oh, this looks like a freak. I clicked on it and it kind of USB. Here we go. Uninstall. Probably this too. Yes, go. That hopefully will solve things up. Okay, and it has appeared here, so that looks good. Restart. Yeah, we'll restart later. Okay, so that's that. And we will follow with connect the PSQL to the Docker instance. So we'll do that. And now if I go here, which will be quit, I think. Yeah, so if I do PSQL now, -u Postgres. Cool, and I want cool. So now I am connected to the right database, which I wanted. This has been running on my computer. You can see like I created some students and other shit. That's weird how sometimes it selects lines and here it selects like a square. That's weird, but whatever. Okay, so now we are connecting to the right database, right? So next on our checklist is what? So we have this. So here we want to connect Spring Factory to DB. So it'll be all. And here is the food shopper application, which is nice. I definitely will buy the new keycaps. Yeah, I have to. I will. White and blue. So it will go with the channel theme. I might be too much relaxed, but that was the goal of today's stream, right? Take everything easy. So I guess we are succeeding in that so far. But if I remember correctly, last time I tried to run this application, we had some problem. So we'll see if that goes away with... Okay, so we have some error. That's a warning. Error starting application. Why? But there is this tutorial which I hated. But okay, so I don't need this anymore. This is the bitnaming. What is this? Also some tutorial. This one I don't need anymore. This I also don't need anymore. This I have open over there. What is this? Well, so it was on YouTube. Well, partially. Not much really, because the only goal for the Docker, which I wanted to achieve, is to run like, oh fuck, how do I exit out this here and here? Okay, so what the fuck, I don't want settings, I want contain, yes. So the only stuff which I wanted to learn is to create a container from an image and run a database in it. And I succeeded already. I have one MySQL container, and now I created the Postgres database, which is spun inside of the Docker image. Yeah. So that's, and currently I don't have a need for anything deeper, so I'm good. So if there will be need for something else, I will do it later to learn. So, and here I wanted to look at Amigos Code Spring Boot. Yeah, that's this. And I have to say, like, I hate this tutorial. I wouldn't recommend to any beginner to do this tutorial.
Just like that.
But right now I will just steal from it. Catacode.
Right, before
what
we
is
proceed,
Catacode?
I just want to say that if you want to take this course at your own pace and receive a certificate, this course is available on my website.
It is too loud. Yes, free. I know. You will tell me 1,000 times that I can spend
also,
money.
Practice as I teach, which is code of this.
Practice as I teach.
Spring Boot is an amazing full stack app. Spring Boot is built to
show me what did you put all in it.
MongoDB, very product configuration, super front over, then also to use Spring Boot.
Okay, so initializer. Oh, really? That sounds really nice. Catacode or Catacoda? Is this the one? Catacoda, okay. That's alright, it's alright. Alright, so I will actually save it to my go through things. I'll do that. great. I'm good. Yeah, me too. It's calm. So I like it. And I will save this here. Yeah, I like it too. Control K, comment. Comment. I'll push right away. Go. And now it will look like this on my page. Come on. Oh. So it'll look like this. I have it here to save for later. Thank you very much for recommending. It looks promising, so I will check it out later.
This video where you can follow along.
Pum, pum, pum. Isn't the music too loud? Isn't the music too loud?
So in this website,
yeah, I thought so. Let me fix it. What about now? Is it better? Thank you.
Sign right here. This is where we can bootstrap any given Spring Boot application. So here you can see that we can pick from Maven or Gradle. So I'm gonna leave Maven. And the languages, Java, Kotlin, or Groovy. I'm gonna stick with Java, and then pick any version. So literally any version. I'm gonna leave the 2.4.1. This might be different by the time you watch this video, but everything I'm gonna show you today will work in later versions. Then right here you can see that we can customize the project metadata. So I'm just gonna leave everything as default. And for packaging, go ahead and select jobs. This is the most common packaging type for Java applications these days. And then for Java version, I've got the 15 installed, so I'm just gonna select that. And now let's scroll up. And right here, let's go ahead and select dependencies. In here, we can pick dependencies that our project needs. So this list is quite.
I just sped up. I set the speed, the playback speed, and here's the tip for you. Like if you press dot or comma on your keyboard, you can change the playback speed, which I find nice. Yeah, it is. No, it's not. No, it's not dot. It is the smaller. Yes, it is. It is with the shift. Yeah, exactly those. I don't know how they are called. Smaller, bigger. Yeah. And you know this and that. They are for previous and the next frame already. Those are pretty handy. Smaller, yeah. That would be that.
Huge, and by all means feel free to explore this list. But for this course, let's go ahead and select the Spring Web. So build web, including RESTful applications using Spring MVC. So right here, I'm gonna press Command and then B.
Okay, so I think I did not include the Spring Web when I was building this thing over here. How can I tell? Probably JKL. What they do? What do they do? To JKL. Key poses and skips. I see. might be useful. So right now I'm looking into this, and we have a boot. So we have the web, I think. So what's next?
Is I'm going to select multiple dependencies
So
right here.
web.
So I've selected that for this video. And so they've got a bunch of things, Spring Security if you want. So we're going to leave that out for this video. And right here, go ahead and select Spring Data JPA. So we're going to connect to a database by using JPA and Hibernate, and you'll see.
Okay, so JPA, that one I don't know if we have. Okay, so we don't have a JPA. So I will. Yeah, I will do new project. And I will generate it via the Spring initializer, and then I will copy the POM. I will copy the POM. So root test of user. That's good, that's good, that's good. All of it is good. So we have a web, right? So Spring Web. Then
press Command and then B because I'm going to select multiple dependencies right here. So I've selected that, and let's scroll down. So they've got a bunch of things, Spring Security if you want. So we're going to leave that out for this video. And right here, go ahead and select Spring Data JPA.
Process data with plain JDBC using Spring Data. Okay, so that's JDBC.
So we're going to connect to a database by using JPA and Hibernate, and you'll see this in a second. Let's also scroll down. And right here, we can use an in-memory database if we want to, or if you want to connect to a real database, such as Postgres, you can also do it. For this course, let's connect to a Postgres database. So here, let's select the PostgreSQL driver. So I'll just press command there again, and you can see that you can connect to Mongo, or actually you can...
okay, so I will have a look. Like, skip this. Okay, so we have a Spring Web, Spring Data JPA. This course is, well, it's not teaching much really, but it's supposed to teach you Spring, which is a framework used with the Java. It's very popular, so popular actually that it goes to the extent that, at least in my area, when someone asks you if you are a Java developer and you say yes, they immediately think that you know this, and if you don't, tough luck getting a job as a Java developer. Something you need to know.
Web, so build web, including RESTful applications using Spring MVC. So right here, I'm going to press Command and B because I'm going to select multiple dependencies right here. So
we have a Spring Web, right? So I will put Spring Web that we have. Okay, so the next thing will be Control F. JDBC. Start, right?
So I've selected that, and let's scroll down. So they've got a bunch of things, Spring Security if you want. So we're gonna leave that out for this video. And right here, go ahead and select.
Oh, thank you for the follow. I'm alive 44. We appreciate it.
Spring Data JPA. So
Spring Data
Security if you want. So we're gonna leave that out for this video. And right here, go ahead and select
Spring Data JPA. So JPA. Okay. So we have that. What next?
JPA. So we're going to connect to a database by using JPA and Hibernate, and you'll see this in a second. Let's also scroll down. And right here, here, we can use an in-memory database if we want to, or if you want to connect to a real database, such as Postgres, you can also do it. For this course, let's connect to a Postgres database. So here, let's select the PostgreSQL join.
Postgres. SQL driver, okay, so we have three things.
So just press command there again, and you can see that you can connect to Mongo, or actually you can work with Mongo, Spring Data Reactive Mongo, Elasticsearch, and basically the list goes on and on and on. RabbitMQ, WebSockets, Kafka, and Spring Batch, JavaMail, and you can see that the list is just crazy, including Graphite and Prometheus. So now that I have selected everything, what I'm going to do is I'm going to escape out of this, so press escape, there we go.
Yeah, so Spring was JP, okay. Cool, so we have that. I'll create a project. And food shipper. I guess. Finish in new windows, please. New window. Cool. I'll try to run it just for fun, this application. It does the indexing, that's okay. Can wait. Okay, so it did its thing. Everything is red, which means oh fuck. Oh fuck. Which means I fucked up. So recordings, release Docker, and no. Yes, I did try Linux. I used it for a few years. On this box, I have a Windows. I haven't used Linux for like 2.5 years now. What am I looking for? Because of the work, in my previous work, we were tied into the Microsoft ecosystem, and it was like I did not want to switch between two computers, so I did everything in there. And after that, what was my job? I was full stack developer. So dev, now in projects, you will see that over here, food shopper, oh, there's a Git initialized in here. Yeah, I fucked up. Hey, Trump stars, I changed the location of the camera. So that's what's different, I guess. So I will try to run it nevertheless, just to see if this runs without the errors. Okay, so we have still some error. Three-year gap on the resume. One minute plank, sure. So we will do the plank after 7 minutes. You're like, now I'm thinking that someone wrote a bot which just redeems 100 is not a lot. Yeah, 100 is not a lot. Most of them have a like time limit on it. I see. Okay, what the fuck is... This looks interesting. Muhammad Rafiq. That's good. The whole week. Oh well. That looks okay. Keyboards, alt keyboards. Oh, he's selling the Model M. Interesting. Oh, my headset is charged. That looks good to me. Is it a real shop or is it just a showcase? But it looks good. It looks good. And I should do this to see what did you did exactly. That's why no one replies. Yeah, it would be like click. Contact, like what is it? Contact and then made by that looks nice. I like it. It's looking good.
And also what I do is actually share this review, so you can pretty much just download the exact dependencies from the link of this video. Now if I open up my desktop, and there we go, you see that we have the demo.zip, and this already has been
Anyway, what I wanted to do is to compare those two